my pocket. Babysitting bongle birds. One day, we were helping Grandpa babysit a nest of baby bongle birds.
Their mum had gone to get some juicy worms.
Mr. Whoops arrived, carrying a picnic basket and a beach bag. He had come to borrow a rug for his picnic on the beach with Miss Smiley.
He put his picnic basket under the tree and folded up the rug. The baby bongle birds looked into the basket and saw a delicious cake. They started to chirp excitedly.
That cake's not for you,
explained Grandpa.
Mr. Whoops put the rug into his beach bag. He was just about to pick up his picnic basket when this happened.
He dropped his beach bag and his things went everywhere.
Can you help Mr. Whoops pick everything up by dragging the items into his beach bag? Well done.
Mr. Whoops picked up his beach bag and picnic basket and off he went.
Suddenly, Grandpa saw that the baby bongle birds weren't in their nest.
Where have they gone? They can't fly. They must have jumped into the picnic basket.
Grandpa had to find them and bring them home.
I know. I'll fetch them in the helicopter.
But to fly the helicopter, Grandpa had to be small. Not the shrinking cap, Grandpa!
Can you tap on my shrinking cap to make me small? Catch me if you can.
Quick as a flash, Grandpa jumped into the helicopter and headed for the beach.
I'm coming to get you, baby bongle birds.
Mr. Whoops and Miss Smiley had gone to have a lovely paddle in the sea.
Grandpa quietly landed on the beach. He peered into the basket and saw that the baby bongle birds had eaten almost all of the cake.
You cheeky baby bongle birds. Come on, it's time for you to go home.
But the baby bongle birds didn't want to leave the cake.
Just then, Grandpa had a brilliant idea.
I know. Let's play my favorite game. Catch me if you can.
So, the baby bongle bird started to chase Grandpa. He quickly jumped into the helicopter and the baby bongle birds followed.
Can you tap on each of the baby bongle birds to help them into the helicopter? Hooray!
But as soon as Grandpa started the engine, the baby bongle birds shrieked.
They jumped out and hid back in the picnic basket. They were scared of the noise.
Oh, bother. Now what are we going to do?
Just then, Grandpa saw Miss Smiley and Mr. Whoops coming back.
Quick, I've got to hide. Can you help me find somewhere to hide? Try under the picnic rug. Can you tap on the picnic rug to show me where to hide? This hiding place is perfect. Well done.
But Miss Smiley saw the rug move and she thought it was a Krusty Krab. I hate Krusty Krabs! Miss Smiley ran down the beach and Mr. Whoops ran after her.
Now that the coast was clear, it was time time for Grandpa to get those cheeky baby bonglebirds home before their mum came back.
Suddenly, he had another brilliant idea. He put the last few cake crumbs into the helicopter and jumped in.
Come on, baby bonglebirds. If you want those crumbs, you'll have to follow me.
And he took off.
The baby bonglebird's eyes widened with delight. But if they wanted to finish off every last crumb of Miss Smiley's cake, they'd have to learn to fly.
Come on, baby bonglebirds. Flap your wings. You can do it.
Shouted Grandpa.
Keep tapping the bonglebirds to help them flap their wings and fly. Fantastic!
They flew behind the helicopter, up and down and round, all the way back to the nut tree in our meadow.
The baby bonglebirds landed in their nest and Grandpa gave them the last few crumbs.
Can you help me feed the baby bonglebirds by swiping the helicopter left and right?
Well done, Grandpa,
Whispered Elsie. Grandpa flew down from the tree. Just then, the mummy bonglebird flew home. There was just enough time for Grandpa to get back to his normal size.
Cap off, quick!
Can you tap on my shrinking cap to unshrink me?
Grandpa, you did it!
The mummy bonglebird arrived with a fat, juicy worm. But the baby bonglebirds weren't hungry anymore. They were full of cake and fast asleep. What a good babysitter Grandpa had been.
But I couldn't have done it without all that help. What do we call it?